Okay. So now you've got your face all set, snatched, ready to go for the day. You want to lock it in place so your makeup that you spent all this time on doesn't go anywhere. So my favorite everyday on the go setting spray is the Urban Decay All Nighter. You can't go wrong, it's a classic. You actually want for a setting spray, you want something that has higher alcohol content because that's what's actually going to make your makeup last all day long. And nobody has time to be like fixing your makeup 20,000 times a day. You just don't. But if you have drier skin, you might not want super high alcohol content. So that's why I also like to pair this with a more hydrating setting spray. So this is the Urban Decay Quick Fix, which is a coconut water spray. So I like pair these two together. It's really great if you're feeling a little bit dry and your skin needs a little hydration, but you still want your makeup to last. So I'm gonna go in first with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I don't know why I shake it. I don't think you need to. And just mist away. I love that smell. It's so great. So now I got the setting spray done. If you still need a little bit more hydration and moisture, then I'm gonna go in with the Quick Fix and just spray this guy on to add a little extra moisture. Oh, you can smell the coconut. Let it dry. You're good to go.